it's not true. I wanna put up all
Xiaomi Mi Watch S1 Pro has a built-in 12mm processor, which can use third-party apps and Xiao Ai. Large display, timeless beautyA large 1.43 inches AMOLED display, built with advanced display and energy. 1.43 inches AMOLED. 326 ppi high resolution. 60 Hz high refresh rate. Sapphire glass is extremely hard and wear-resistant, with scratch resistance far exceeding that of ordinary glass. The finely carved sapphire glass glitters from every angle. Stainless steel case with its unique characteristics of corrosion resistance and scratch resistance. The 316L austenitic stainless steel was used for the watch case, making Xiaomi Watch S1 the most durable watch of Xiaomi watches. Handcrafted finish. Every case is individually polished by traditional watch craftsmen, giving it that precise, streamlined finish. The wrist Xiaomi Watch S1 offers two inbox straps, a premium leather strap and a dirt-resistant fluororubber strap. Advanced technology dual-band multi-system GPS. The built-in dual-band GNSS chip supports 5 major satellite positioning systems: GPS, Beidou, GLONASS, Galileo, and QZSS, more accurate positioning, giving you professional statistics. 117 workout modes supports, with 19 professional workout modes. 5 ATM water resistance. Xiaomi Watch S1 has a water resistance rating of 50 meters. 24-hour heart rate monitoring. Powerful multi-channel PPG biosensors with 24-hour heart rate monitoring. All-day blood oxygen monitoring. Blood oxygen measurement is particularly important nowadays. Timely blood oxygen monitoring can help provide a better picture of your physical condition. More health features. Stress detection. Stay breathing health index, helping you to achieve a healthier lifestyle. Long battery life. The Xiaomi Watch S1 is equipped with an extra-large 470 mAh battery. With the all-new Xiaomi Watch S1 magnetic wireless charging dock, you can charge quickly no matter where you are. 12 days typical usage mode. 24 days power-saving mode. Free your hands with Bluetooth phone calls. Easy cashless payment on your wrist. Partnering with MasterCard. Xiaomi Watch S1 supports NFC cashless payment. See your health at a glance using the Mi Fitness app. You can easily view your daily health statistics, such as heart rate, fitness and sleep, providing a clear picture of your health. Data synchronization with Strava and Apple Health is also supported. Event of an emergency, press the button at the bottom right of the watch 3 times in a row to quickly dial your emergency contact and keep you safe. Voice assistant at your service. The built-in Alexa voice assistant helps you easily look up information and control your smart home devices, so you can solve things hands-free. Alexa features and functionality will be supported via OTA and require the watch's firmware to be upgraded to the latest version.
I sincerely appreciate your attention today. And that brings us to the end. I'd like to thank you for your time and attention today. Thank you so much for your interest and attention. Give your supports. Thank you.